Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute I love you. In my case is a gift tag, but if you want you can use this I love you word for many different projects. I created this as a gift tag and I will use it with hanging this to my Valentine's Day gift, and I will write my message on the back. But you can use in many different ways. So let's get started to create this super cute I love you. Okay, we will need a piece of paper in red or another color. It depends how you prefer. We will need to have this because we will trace around this paper art. Okay. We will trace here and here without closing the gap, because we will trace here our U. Okay. Okay, now we will trace around the paper heart on the other part, and now here we will create our eye. Maybe a little bigger, but with an eraser you can erase the sign that you don't like. Okay, here our finish. Here we will cancel this part, and then voila. Okay, just a second, I made a mistake here. Okay, now it's perfect. Okay, I hope you will be able to see the I love you word. Okay, now with a pair of scissors we will cut around our paper creation, and this way till the end. Okay, here our finished project, our I love you. And then now I use a pen, glitter pen, and I trace all this line around our I love you, and we will do the same. Okay, with this I will use a red glitter pen, but if you prefer you can use another color, a silver, a golden, or as you prefer. For me it's better to trace all around our I love you project because it's more finished. You can use this I love you in order to create a greeting card, or as I created mine I love you, you can use it as a gift tag, or you can use it, you can hang it to a ribbon. You can create many I love you and create a garland. You can think of many uses for this I love you sign word, sorry. You can also glue it to your front door or your window. Okay, voila, here our finished I love you. And if you want to create a gift tag like mine, you will need a paper punch in order to create this, to punch this hole, or you can use to hang this to your gift. You can use a wooden peg like we created on the other last week on the other video. I will put the link of this video below. Okay, and you can use it in this way. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with another paper creation. Bye bye!